Good morning, departure Vision 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 1409 Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 1809 Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Hey there, buddy. Hope you're doing well, and thanks a lot for coming along on today's video. Today's video is going to be a short one. We're here in the hangar at John C. Toon Airport, just giving the aircraft a little bit of a cleanup after some previous flights to the East Coast and back. We have received some sample product from Plain Perfect. It's their #1 formula. It is a combination ceramic coating and detail spray. It goes on in a one-step process where you just spray it on and wipe it off with one of their microfiber towels. And we did some preliminary testing, and it did a really nice job. I like the way it went on and the ease in getting it off the airplane. And then of course it left a nice protective shine and ceramic coating after for protection. So worked out pretty well, and we're going to continue to put some more on the plane. Stay with us as we do this in this video, and let me know what you think in the comments. One thing I want to mention though is those nice people at Plain Perfect sent us 6 extra bottles of their #1 formula, that ceramic coating and detail spray, and we'll be giving away 6 of those bottles and a microfiber towel to go along with it to 6 of the viewers. So stay tuned, and we'll be announcing the giveaway for those. And the good thing about it is 6 of you guys are going to receive a bottle of this Plain Perfect #1 formula and a microfiber towel to try at home. And in any case, I hope you like this video. I hope you like the results, and appreciate you guys coming along today. In a previous video, I was mentioning that I use Plain Perfect's Eyes Outside window cleaner on the airplane, and I've been doing that for a number of years. The good people at Plain Perfect actually saw the video and decided to send us some product to evaluate, and particularly their #1 formula, which is a brand new ceramic coating and detail spray. It's a really neat product, and I'm going to show you how it's used in the video today, and I hope you enjoy that as well. It's pretty cool because the #1 formula actually can be used on the windows as well. So we've done that on the aircraft today, and it's done a nice job. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks a lot for coming along. Thank you so much for coming along on today's video, and thanks for joining us on our journey to share general aviation with each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new content is posted. You can reach out to me directly through the comments, or you can send me an email if you wish. But I do appreciate your support, and thanks a lot for coming along on today's video. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next video.